Dear learner, welcome in my lecture of programming in Java. So today we will discuss about various operators, and I will cover in this lecture arithmetic operator, unary operator, shift operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, and assignment operator. So these all operators are very important in Java programming language. And you can see here the first kind of operator, that is arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operator in Java, that is plus, minus, divide, multiply, modular sign, and different other operators are also. However, less than and greater than are the relational operator. So you can see here the program, as well as you can see the list of different arithmetic operator. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, multiply, multiplication and division, modulus operator, percentage sign is used for the modulus operator, and plus is a increment operator, plus equals to is a assignment operator. So we have been different type of operator and different operator. So many more operators are there. So first of all, we are discussing here arithmetic operator, that is basically the arithmetic operator are the plus, minus, divide and multiply, also modulus includes in arithmetic operator. So you can see in this program I have implemented this arithmetic operator in this program. So you can see the public class my class, and inside public class my class public static void main, and here you can see two number 1 and number 2, and I have assigned value 11 value to number 1 and 3 value to number 2. And you can see the third variable, that is modulus variable. So modulus equals to num1 divided by num2. So here when we divide number 1 by number 2, the remainder will be stored in the modulus, and in case of the division, divide variable, you can see the fourth variable, that is divide variable. So divide equals to number 1 divided by number 2. So when we will divide number 1 by number 2, the quotient will be stored in the divide variable. So you can see the answer, we have been two output statement, system.out.println modulus, and the second one is the division. So in this case we have two variable, number 1 and number 2, and their value is 11 and 3. So when we will divide 11 by 3, so it will be divided by 3 times. So divide variable will display 3 and modulus variable will display 2, because when we will divide 11 by 3, then 3 is 3 3s are 9 and 2 is the remainder. So that remainder will be stored in the modulus variable. So we have this percentage sign for the modulus and divide sign for the division. So this is the example and implementation of arithmetic operator, and other arithmetic operator can also be implemented same way. So again, the second category of the operator, that is bitwise operator. So we have been different bitwise operator like bitwise unary not, and bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, shift right, shift operator is there, shift right 0, fill, and shift left. So these are the different type of the different operators which is used in Java programming language. So Java defines several bitwise operator that can be applied to the integer type, long type, int type, short type, character type, byte type, but not in string type. So we will not use these bitwise operator with the string. So these operator acts upon individual bits of their operands, and they are summarized in the following table. So you can see in the table all bitwise operators are there in the table. So bitwise, different bitwise operators. So this is also example of bitwise operator. So here x and y, we have mentioned here x in this table. The column 1 represent x and column 2 represent y. However, the third column, that is x and y, so we are using here AND operator. So this AND operator, the output of the AND operator you can see here. So basically this AND means addition of and here, and means this multiplication of these 2 bit x and y. So if x is 0, y is 0, then it will be 0. If x is 0 and y is 1, then it means it will be 0. If x is 1 and y is 0, then it will be 0, and in case both x and y both are 1, then it will be 1. So here we have been 4 output accordingly, and this AND represents just multiplication of 2 bit. So this is also example of this bitwise operator. So this is a public class bitwise AND example, and inside this class we have public static void main string args, and 2 variable x and y are defined inside the main. So the first variable x equals to 9 and y equals to 8. So the 2 different values are passed to x and y by these 9 and 8. So you can see here this binary representation of 9 is 1001, and binary representation of 8 is 1000. So when we will use according to this table, if both are 1, then it will be 1, and if any one of both x or y is 0, then it will represent the output 0. So same way we have given here. So if 9 is assigned to x and 8 is assigned to y, then the answer will be 8. So first of all it will be converted into binary, and when we will use x and y, so AND operator will be used, and in case of both 1, it will display 1, otherwise it will display 0. So here the output is in the second line you can see the output 1000, that is after bitwise AND. So this is AND operator, bitwise AND operator. So the output x and y equals to 8. So this is the implementation of bitwise operator. So we have only used here AND operator, bitwise AND operator. Same way we can use OR operator, bitwise OR, bitwise unary NOT, bitwise exclusive OR, bitwise write, bitwise write 0 fill, bitwise shift left, bitwise AND assignment. So we have different bitwise operator. So accordingly we can perform all different bitwise operator. So this is also one more example here. By using this table you can understand this operation of the bitwise. So the first column represent A and second column represent B, and in third column you can see here A or B. So see the output A or B, means any one of A and B is 1, then answer will be 1. So in case of the first 2 digit 00, A is 0, B is 0, then it will display 0 in case of OR operator. So OR operator is just like a sum of 2 bit. So any one bit of these 2 A and B is 1, then in that case it will display the output 1. And A or B, you can see A and B, again we have this A and B, and A not B, not A. So these are the different bitwise operation. So bitwise logical operator is called bitwise logical operator, and or not. So these are the different bitwise logical operator. The following table shows the outcome of each operation. In the discussion that follows, keep mind that the bitwise operator applied to each individual bit within each operand. So this is the example of bitwise operation. So you can see this program also. I have implemented this bitwise operator by this program, as well as I have given this table. So same way we can apply bitwise OR operator with other program. Now see the relational operator. So we have different category of operator. In the first slide I have given you the different category. So these are the different category of operators. So like arithmetic operator, unary operator, shift operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, and assignment operator. So now I am explaining you the relational operator. So see what are the relational operator. So by using this slide, you can see the different relational operator. So double equal sign is the equal to relational operator, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. They are different relational operator. The relational operator determine the relationship that one operand has to the other. Especially they determine equality and ordering. The relational operator are shown as follows. So these are the different relational operator which are used with the program. So the implementation of one of the relational operator is this. In this program I have implemented it. So you can see here class test, public class test, and inside public class test we have public static void main string args. So here two variable integer a equals to 10, b equals to 20. So we have four output statements: system.out.println a equals to b plus a equal sign b. So here two variable 10 and 20. So 10 and 20 are not equal, so that's why it will return false. So see the output also. Output a double equals to b equals to false, and in second line you can see a not equal to b. So this is true. So in that case, see the output a not equal to b equals to true, because a is 10 and b is 20. So both values are not equal. And in third statement you can see the system.out.println a greater than b. So here this condition is also false because a is less than 20. So if a is greater than 20, then it will be true. So in the fourth statement you can see a less than b. So in that case it is true. So here in the fourth line a is less than b. So this line will represent true answer, a less than b. So it will display true answer, a less than b equals to true. So this is the relational operator. So we can use these relational operator in Java programming language. So this is Java program where we are using different relational operator. So other relational operator are not equal to and simply equal, greater than equal to or less than equal to. So we can use same way these operators, relational operator also. Now boolean logical operator. So here are some boolean logical operator. So we have already I have already explained you all these operators. So now again we can use these logical operators. We have already we already know about the relational operator. So the combination of two relational operator we use, in the combination of two relational operator we use logical operators. So logical operators are also important in Java programming language. So we have different logical operators like logical AND, logical OR, logical XOR, short circuit OR, same way short circuit and logical unary NOT, and assignment, or assignment, XOR assignment, equal to, not equal to, ternary, if then else. So these are the different logical operators. So sometimes this last one, that is also called ternary operator. Conditional operator is also called this one. So how we will use these logical operator? So you can see this example where we are using the logical operator. In case of logical operator, we write two condition, and in between we write the between the two condition we write the logical operator. So here we are using a less than b and b equals to c. So we are trying to satisfy two conditions, that we are checking that these two conditions are satisfied or not. So there is a class logical. First of all we have mentioned here import java.io.star, then class logical, and inside this logical class we have public static void main string args. This is main function, and here inside the main function we have integer a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to 20, and the value of d is initialized by 0. System.out.println where equals to a, where 1, where 2 equals to b, where 3 equals to c. So we have three variable a, b and c. So so we are printing the value of a, b, c. So you can see output, same time you can see the output where 1 equals to 10 and where 2 equals to 20 and where 3 equals to again 20. So these three value will be printed by the three output statement. Now you can see the if conditional statement. So here we have mentioned a less than b and b equals to c. So see the number a is 10, b is 20. So a is less than b, means yes, it is true because a is 10 and b is equals to 20. And the second condition, b equals to c, yes, this condition is also true because b is 20 and c is also 20. So both condition, here we are satisfying the both condition. So then we will come inside the if, and here d equals to a plus b plus c. So d equals to a plus b plus c means 10 plus 20 plus 20. So it will be 50. So in d we will have this 50 value, and by using system.out.println you can see sum is 50. So the sum is 50, it will be displayed under this if condition because we are satisfying both conditions. If we are not satisfying, suppose we are not satisfying the both condition, then we will move on else block, and here it will display the false condition. But in this time both conditions are satisfying, so false condition will be not displayed. So this is the program where we are using logical operators. So this is also important part of this operator. So logical operator are very important part of various operators. So many times we use these logical operators. So other operators can also be implemented the same way. So this is also one more program where we are using this. So the same program again we are seeing here. So now assignment operator. So sometime in Java we use assignment operator. So you can see the example of this assignment operator here. So in this assignment you can see the program is started by import java.util, and then we have assignment operator class, and inside the assignment operator class we have public static void main string args, and then you can see integer x equals to 12, y equals to 13, z equals to 6. So we have assigned three values 12, 13 and 16 to x, y, z, and see the system.out.println, this is output statement, and here assignment value is, it will display the value of assignment. But before displaying, you can see here x plus equals to 2, it means x equals to x plus 2. So this plus equal sign represent assignment operator. So I have given in the comment line it is equal to x equals to x plus 2, and see the another line, that is y minus equals to 2. So it means y equals to y minus 2, and in third line you can see here z multiply equals to 2, it means z equals to z minus z equals to z multiply 2. Yeah, in this line it is misprinted. So z equals to z multiply 2. So this is the way of writing assignment operator. So simply in short we can write the assignment operator. So see the output, then you will find the value of assignment operator. How output is also given in this slide. So assignment operator, you have been using the assignment operator since this chapter 2 of your textbook. So now so this is the very important, and variable and expression we will write there in case of the assignment operator. So now see the another operator, that is question mark operator. So Java include this is question mark as well as we can say it is conditional operator. So Java include a special ternary three-way operator. So basically in all programs, all statements, we have only one operators, but here we are using two operators. So we have been three expression also. So in that case it is called ternary operator. So this is the example of ternary operator. So here we have this class conditional, and inside conditional class we have public static void main, and inside void main we have three variable. First variable c is a the first variable is c, and two variable a and b whose value is assigned here in the program, and c is a string type variable. However, A and B are the integer variable, and 6 is assigned to A and 12 is assigned to B. Now see, C equals to A double equal sign B question mark yes colon no. So we have three statement here. The first statement is C, second statement A double equals to B. So if A and then question mark. So if A double equals to B is this condition is true, in that case yes will be assigned to C. If A double equals to B means A is not equal to B, so in that case no will be assigned to C. So here in this program we have A and B whose value is not same. A is 6 and B is 12. So their value is not equal. A is not equal to B. So in that case it will transfer no to C. So the second value will be transferred to the C variable. So C is a string variable. So when we will print this C variable system by using this system.out.println, so answer C. So C will be no. It will display no answer. So this is the example of ternary operator. So in this case you can see here expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. There are 3 expressions, and in the first expression, after first expression then we have second expression and then third expression. So in the first expression we have this question mark. So again you can see in this example, so first expression A equals to B, here we have question mark. So if A is equal to B, this is first expression. So if this condition is satisfied, then the second expression will be transferred to C, otherwise third expression will be transferred to C. So this way we have given the output also. Now see the operator precedence in Java. So while understanding these the various operator, we should have to understand the precedence of the operator in Java. So which operator we have to first use, that is very important, which operator will be used first and which operator will be operated first. So this is very important in Java programming language of precedence of operator. So priority of operator, whose priority is highest. So this we should know this in the Java. So you can see in this table the highest priority and lowest priority. The table is started by the highest word and then finally it has lowest. So the plus sign or minus sign, so their priority is highest, and then multiply, divide, modulus, their priority comes in the second number, third number, and plus minus in fourth number, and shift right, shift left, its priority in fifth number. So same way we have given the different priority. So however there is logical operator, their priority is lesser than the priority of unary operator. So this is the descending order of the priority, and same time suppose in any equation we have different plus or minus arithmetic operation. So their associativity, this is called associativity, so it is left to right. So in this table you can see it will be left to right. Like in the third row you can see multiply, divide and modulus. So suppose we have multiple plus, minus, plus, divide or modulus, so we will move from left to right. So this is called associativity. So by using the another table, again you can see here unary operator, their priority is higher, plus, minus, not. So their priority is higher. Multiplication, multiplicative like multiplication, divide and modulus, their priority is lower than this unary operator. Addition and multiplication, they comes in the third number. Shift operator comes in the fourth number. Relational in the fifth number. And equality sign, double equal sign or equal to and not equal to, it comes on the sixth place. Their priority is in sixth number. Then bitwise AND, then bitwise XOR, then bitwise OR, then logical AND. So we have to remember the precedence of different operator. So this is the precedence. So again we have different tables. So here also you can see the same priority and same priority given in the descending order. So these are the precedence and associativity. Now see finally you can see the example of this precedence and associativity. So we have three number 1, number 2 and number 3. So the value 20 is transferred to the number 1, 5 is transferred to the number 2 and 17 is transferred to number 3. So we have three or more variable, that is answer 1, answer 2 and answer 3. Three variable whose value we have assigned, and three variable whose value is not assigned. They have defined as an answer 1, answer 2 and answer 3, and the next one is the answer. So answer 1 equals to number 1 multiply number 2 plus number 3. So here you can see we have multiple operators, multiplication operator as well as plus operator. So the priority is, higher priority is this multiplication, then plus then the addition. So again see this example with this table. So here multiplication has higher priority than plus. So here we have given this example, and answer 1 equals to number 1 multiply number 2 plus number 3. So number 1 is multiplied with number 2 first, then it will be added to the number 3, because the priority of multiplication is higher than the addition. See the another line, system.out.println and answer 1, that is answer 1, it will be displayed by answer 1 because we have calculated the answer 1. Now see the answer 2. Answer 2 equals to answer 1 multiply, then bracket is started, bracket number 2 plus number 3. So this bracket has higher priority than multiplication. So this way, first of all, this bracket will be the value inside the bracket will be calculated, will be processed, and then multiplication will held. So in the first column, first half of this table, system.out.println, you can see the output of answer 2. So same way answer 3 is calculated, and these are the output also. So here by using this program you can understand the associativity and precedence and associativity. So precedence means priority of the different operator, and associativity means if different operator, multiple operators, same category of operator are given in same line, so we will move from left to right. So this is the associativity. So this precedence associativity along with this various operator is very important. So we have to understand all these things. And finally I would say that we have learned many more things by listening this lecture. So the learning outcome of this lecture is to understand the different operators like unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, sometimes it is called conditional operator, and assignment operator. So thank you learner, thank you very much.